In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Photoshop's cache with the purge command. If Photoshop feels sluggish, tools lag, or large files are taking longer than usual, it's often because cached data is piling up in memory. Purge lets you quickly clear that temporary data and free up resources without changing your actual image layers. Start by opening Photoshop so the workspace is active. With the app running, head to the top menu bar and look for Edit. Inside that menu, find Purge. This is the command that controls which cached items you want to remove. If you notice the purge options are grayed out, it simply means there isn't anything currently stored that can be cleared, so there's nothing to do at that moment. When the purge menu is available, you'll see choices for clipboard, histories, and all. Here's what each one does and when to use it. Clipboard clears any content you've copied or cut within Photoshop. If you've been duplicating large sections, complex layers, or high-resolution selections, that copied data can consume a surprising amount of memory. Purging the clipboard frees that space, but remember, you won't be able to paste what you previously copied after this. Histories clears your undo history. This includes the list of steps you could otherwise step back through in the history panel. If you're done experimenting and confident about your current state, clearing histories can release a substantial amount of memory, especially after lots of transformations, filters, and brushwork. Keep in mind that once those history states are purged, you can't undo back to earlier points, so make sure you're comfortable with where your document stands. All removes both clipboard and histories in one go. Choose this when you want the maximum memory relief and you're finished copying elements or stepping backward through your edits. Photoshop will typically warn you that this action cannot be undone. Treat that as your reminder to proceed only when you're certain you no longer need those temporary states. After purging, you should notice snappier performance, particularly with large canvases or multiple documents open. This isn't a replacement for good file management or proper hardware, but it's an effective maintenance step during intensive sessions. If you regularly work with big files, consider purging at natural stopping points, like after you finalize a section of your design. That's all it takes. Open Photoshop, go to Edit, choose Purge, and select Clipboard, Histories, or All to clear cached data and reclaim